Hello, hi. I'm Dwayne. Happy New Year 2019. All the best for 2019. First of all, just wanted to say I've been given this idea literally last night, New Year's Eve, that I should basically do a little video how I go through my day. I'm basically, for the last 2 years, I've been a plant-based eater, so I got a plant-based lifestyle, so vegan. If you know, vegan varies, so everyone do different things, but I strictly do only plants, no meat, no fish. So I strictly do that. So I'll go for a little routine how I go through my day. First of all, I wake up pretty early, 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and I do a little breathing exercise. So about for 20 minutes, I do breathing exercise. And then first thing that hits my mouth is water. So I do water and lemon. I'll take you through what I do here. So first of all, I use some spring water. I like the in the morning. I like the sparkling water because that gives me a buzz. For some reason, it gives me that buzz. So I'll have some lemons. I'll squeeze some lemons. So I'll just pour some lemon juice in a cup. I squeeze about 2 lemons because there's a family of 4, so it's not just me, but I just prepare it for everyone whenever they wake up. Sometimes they wake up the same time as I do, but I don't bother with them. But for me, I just do this lemon, sparkle, water, and another thing, you have to speak to your water. Some people may think it's crazy, but it's not. You bless your water before it goes into your body. So you basically tell the water what you want it to do. You bless it and then you drink it and then it will do its job. The next thing I do, after I drink my water, I have some tea. So I have tea. So what I have today, or this morning, I have fennel tea, fennel seeds. I have some fennel seeds. About 2 teaspoons, or 2 tablespoons. Have some ginger. I've already chopped some ginger and some turmeric. So I have those, ginger and turmeric, very good for you. I'll explain to you probably in another video exactly what turmeric and all these ingredients does for your body. But it gets you energized for the morning and throughout the day really. Some water. You use some spring water. Okay, tea is bubbling. You can smell that aroma, that fennel seed, ginger, turmeric, hit your nose. Wonderful. Okay, apart from my tea, I have my green juice. It's like through the day. I drink this through the day. I have some kale in it. I got some hemp powder, about 1 tablespoon. Wheatgrass, same 1 tablespoon. I have Corella, 1 tablespoon as well. This is a very powerful juice. Moringa, I have moringa in it as well. And we got spirulina. That's what I have in my green juice for today. Like I said, I kind of alternate juices on a daily basis or weekly. Depends on what I feel like drinking at the time. So I have that, blend that up on the Ninja. Ninja is very loud, so I won't even blend that now. That's for later. After my tea, I'll have some porridge. Because this was just got told to me that, look, do a little video of what you go through. I already prepared porridge from yesterday. So this porridge is another powerful porridge that it fills you up throughout the day, from morning till lunch. So this is my from morning till lunch. The ingredients I will give you in the description. So that's it for now. Next time I do a video, I'll take you through my lunch. And then that's it for now. Thank you. See ya. Okay, we're back again. Like I said, now it's dinner time. So like I said before, this was a spontaneous thing, that idea came up. So I already had dinner from yesterday. So this is what we had before. So We had lentil stew with a twist. I do my own little thing. So we got lentil stew with some other stuff which I'll put in the description so you know exactly what's in it. We have quinoa, quinoa to go with the stew. And all I did today was add some salad. In the salad, which I try to make it as colorful as possible. It's better, you know, different colors, peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers. Tomatoes, I use plum tomatoes, only plum tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes I use. I don't use other tomatoes. So I got tomatoes, I have a lettuce, romaine lettuce, not the iceberg lettuce, the romaine lettuce. I got kale, I've got watercress, I got wild rocket. That's all I have in this salad today. With the dressing, I don't tend to use any kind of mayonnaise, you know, I don't do the dairy stuff. So I have sesame seed, roasted sesame seed oil. I rotate with olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil and sesame seed oil. And I just put a bit of salt. I only use sea salt. So I got the pure sea salt, Himalayan pink sea salt. And as always, you can't do nothing without the cayenne pepper. Everything you do, cayenne pepper gotta be in it. So I'll put some bit of cayenne pepper, spice it up a bit, and that's what I have for my dressing. And that's it for dinner today. The next time I'll do it, a dinner and everything, I'll start everything from scratch so you can see how to start it, how the process goes, and how long it will take, and then we can go from there. So that's dinner for tonight, and then we'll see how I go next time. You take care.